You guys must be curious like how an LLM is stated that an LLM is a good LLM or like this LLM is weaker than the LLM or like Llama 2 is better than Llama 3. How it is certified. So the basic reason like how they are certified is that there are several standards on which they are tested. Like one of the standard is MMLV. MMLV, just take it as your a university entrance exam where all the skills such as geography, physics, chemistry, and all those things are tested and the score is evaluated. For example, Llama, OpenAI model, or DeepSeek model is tested. Right now, I think like the DeepSeek really make the news because DeepSeek really give good source, good score in those tests. Like after MML, we just take it as a university exam where geography, physics, chemistry, and all those things are tested. Then other one is GSMN 8K. GSMN 8K is just like a maths exam because like in geography, physics, chemistry, you can just only just sound smart. You can work by just sounding smart, but in maths like you have to solve the process step by step and have to be precise. Like if there is any mistake, the answer will be wrong. So like GSMN 8K is comparatively tougher question. In GSM 8K, I think 160 questions come up, and like you have, and it's evaluated if the AI is accurate in how many. Like for example, the new model of Llama was really accurate in this test, and he was been, and like Mark Zuckerberg and the Llama company was said that Llama model was specially trained on these problems so that it performs good on these problems, and the Llama model is not actually that good. It's an allegation on them. I am not just saying anything. And the next thing is, and the last is human eval. It's a test given by, it's a test actually started by OpenAI company, where like they have given me a problem and it's checked like the AI can solve that problem. How good, it's basically a coding test, like how good it follows the instructions or how close it is. The product is how close to the instructions. So these are the main three standards NLM in check. There are other few standards as well, but these are the three main industry. There are the three main standards practiced in industry.